A long time ago, in different places, lived two very different people, one was a woman, and the other was a man. Their actions might seem small, but they taught the world a big lesson. This woman had a cat. It was not wild, it was her pet. But she did something very cruel. She kept the cat locked inside her house. Day after day, the cat cried for food and water, but the woman did not care. She didn't feed it, and she didn't let it go outside to find food on its own. The cat became weak, then sick, and finally, it died. When the woman died, Allah judged her. Because of her cruelty to the helpless cat, she was punished. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said that this woman was sent to Jahannam, because she showed no mercy to a creature that depended on her. In another land, a man was traveling through the desert. The sun was hot, and his throat was dry. After walking for hours, he finally found a well. He climbed down and drank the cool water. As he came back up, he saw a dog nearby. It was panting, its tongue hanging out, and it was licking the mud, trying to find water. The man's heart filled with kindness. He knew how the dog felt, he had just been thirsty himself. So he took off his shoe, climbed down the well again, filled it with water, and gently gave it to the dog to drink. Allah loved what this man did. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said that because of that small act of mercy, Allah forgave all of the man's sins.